We are starting book number 3 of my coloring book series. This one is African Critters. It is Thursday, May 1st at 7 a.m. We start off, I decided to go with a well-known critter this time. Chose an elephant, not a particular kind. I didn't want to get too deep into each species because there's a lot of them. So I started off with the elephant because I like elephants. They're smart, intelligent, live a long time, and it was fun to draw. I did little ovals for the eyes. I went ahead and inked those in right off the bat so I wouldn't have to worry about any shakiness in my hands. And the body came together pretty well. I did some erasing, as you can see, so don't worry about if you are drawing and have to constantly erase to get it right. There's very few people that can draw just right off the bat. This is more of a hobby for me. Hopefully it'll turn into something more, but I'm liking the mornings that I take, and it's been a very relaxing start to my day. The elephant here, I'm going to put them in probably some day and night scenes, depending on the type of critter that I use. And this one, I went daylight, sunlight, and as you can see, I went ahead and inked the circle in for the sun just because I don't want to have to do it freehand. I'm not comfortable at all doing circles freehand, and I probably never will. So we'll just have to take some of those things as they go. Some of the curves, all the curves I did without any type of tool. I may change into that. I do have one of these movable rulers. I got this one at Hobby Lobby, and we'll try that maybe on some of the other ones. I probably should have used that in my Ocean Critters book too, because there was a lot of curves. This elephant had a lot of curves, as you can see. So it was fun. I did manage to not unpause it once as I was letting the ink dry, I believe around the face area. Sorry about that, but this was a fun one. So we'll see how it goes. I've got 29 more to go, and keep following, subscribe, and like and leave comments. I'd appreciate it. Have a great day.